think I should have planned.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am back with another video. Today's video is a challenge video and I love doing challenge video. Let me know if you all like watching challenge video as well. And for today's challenge, I am doing a 5 minutes makeup challenge. And I'm so nervous about it because I am not a professional makeup artist. I can't do my makeup. I take a lot of time to do it properly. So yeah, so I'm a bit nervous, as I told you. Let's see how it goes. I hope it goes really well. And yeah, without further ado, let's just quickly get started with the video. Yes, here we are with a blank page. So I have nothing on my face. I just washed my face. And so let's just quickly start. I put a timer for 5 minutes, and I am kind of nervous because I don't know what I'm going to do. So yeah, how to put this timer? 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Can you see this? I am putting it for 5 minutes. Let's start. So okay, it has been started. So let me just quickly pin my hair up and look good. Yeah, moisturizer first. And I don't have a mirror. I don't know why I don't know why I'm not here with a mirror. Let's just quickly do it. Okay, stop it. I'm so happy I did not start doing something else, but then what is this? So yes, this is my 5 minutes makeup look. I think I should have planned this video a little, but then I wanted this video to be as raw as possible. And what's the use if we are doing this challenge with all the plannings, right? So here I am with this look in my challenge video. Let me know in the comment down below if you like the video and if you want to see more of challenge videos on my channel. And do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.